Akiu. This is the town of Akiu, an onsen town just outside of Sendai. We are standing at the gorge going through the town. It's a magnificent natural wonder, a pleasant walk in the nature and the forest. Over there, even nature recommends this because it's put a love heart in the rocks. Check it out. We are going to do a nature walk along the top of the gorge. Keeps on trekking through. We have just passed Shiguri-Taki Falls. Akiu is very good in the regard that you can have nature walks, wine tasting, beer tasting even if you want, and an onsen because it's a natural onsen town. Along the gorge walk, you come across natural onsen springs. You can see the steam coming up, and on the rocks you can see the red sediment from the water of the natural spring. I hope you enjoyed the walk along Rairaikyō Gorge. It's a great relaxing day, only 40 minutes out of the city. The walk is only 1 kilometer long, which takes you roughly at leisure between 30 minutes to an hour. Besides that, in Akiu you've got the wine tasting, you've got the beer tasting, and of course Akiu is famous for its natural onsens. So please, if you want a break from the busy touristy sites, Akiu is the place to come. If you enjoyed, please subscribe.